Hello everybody, it is Thursday. Today was an update. Actually, it was a little bit unique. I have 21 different investments that are inside of my models, and today was the first day since we started this that all 21 of those pieces were up. Um, it also, I have 210 different investments in all of the portfolios that I manage, and all but 28 of those were up. So it was a very, very broad day for increasing prices. It wasn't a big day. The S&P 500 was up 2.28% so far for the day. So nothing, spectacular, but the breadth was really interesting. You normally don't see that in really poor markets, so that's certainly something to look at. I will say the volume wasn't very high, so there wasn't a tremendous amount of movement coming in. And of course, the amplitude, how much it went up, wasn't that much either. But it is still significant to see everything going up. There's definitely some buying that's coming in. We're seeing different models come out for when this virus might peak. Um, Several models are saying it's middle of April to the end of April might be the peak. We might see this first wave dissipate by the very beginning of June. And so if those models are going to hold together, we probably do have a recovery that's going to come fairly quickly. If we're only closing companies for a few months, it's a big deal, but with the amount of stimulus that has come on, and if we're allowed to get back out. So those models are probably what are driving this market right now. The potential positivity that could come from the combination of a fairly short shutdown combined with all of this stimulus. So we'll have to see how things play out. And I hope everybody is keeping safe and healthy. And I look forward to talking to you again tomorrow.